If your garage door is looking a little too normal for Halloween, I have a ridiculously easy way to turn it into the creepiest part of your house. This giant Halloween garage door cover transforms that plain garage into a spooky skull scene in minutes. And stay with me until the end because I'm going to show you everything that comes with it and just how dramatic the finished look can be. First, I want to mention that this product was provided to me at no cost, and I'm really grateful I got to try it. I love decorating for Halloween, but here's my problem. I want that big Halloween look without spending hours putting together a million little decorations, and this is such a simple solution. This garage door cover measures approximately 16 by 7 feet, so it fits a double garage. And the design is so fun and spooky. You've got the creepy skull, veil details, and haunted bats creating the look of a giant portal to the other side. Imagine pulling into your driveway and seeing this on your garage. It completely changes the feeling of the house. And you don't have to limit it to your garage. You can also use it as a large wall backdrop, party decoration, photo booth backdrop, or even for other Halloween events. So if you're hosting a Halloween party, this could instantly give you a dramatic backdrop for pictures. Now let's talk about what you actually get. The package includes one 16 by 7 foot Halloween garage door cover, 4 plastic hooks with double-sided tape and more tape if needed for hanging it. It didn't come with instructions, but we figured it out okay, and I really appreciate the copper rings at the corners because with a decoration this large, you want secure attachment points. The material is polyester, and it's designed for outdoor use with water and wind resistance and color fade resistance. So you can use it outside for your Halloween display rather than worrying about having to keep it indoors. And here's what I think is the biggest selling point. You get a huge visual impact without having to build anything. No complicated Halloween construction project, no spending an entire weekend creating a haunted house. You hang it up, secure it, and suddenly your garage looks like something straight out of a horror movie. And because it's reusable, you can pack it away after Halloween and bring it back out next year. For me, it solved the problem of wanting my Halloween decorations to feel big, dramatic, and exciting without creating a huge amount of work. Instead of a plain garage door, I now have this giant spooky focal point that immediately gives the whole house more Halloween personality. And I love that it can double as a photo backdrop because you know everyone's going to want a picture in front of this. So if you're looking at your garage thinking, okay, Halloween needs to happen over here, this is such an easy way to make a big transformation. If I can make one thing easier in your life today, let it be this. Skip the complicated decorating project and let your garage door do the haunting. If you want your house to have that spooky, dramatic Halloween look this year, definitely check this one out.